our focus now to some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. We are being told that TMC MPs, along with Abhishek Banerjee, have reached Parliament to meet the Speaker. So along with Abhishek Banerjee is Derek O'Brien, Mahua Moitra, Saugata Roy, Kalyan Banerjee, and they have arrived to meet the Speaker to present their point of view as to why rebel TMC MPs should not be recognized. Let's go across to Pragya. She's getting us more details. Pragya, the TMC MPs want to present their point of view. They don't want the rebel MPs to be recognized.
Swati, absolutely. They are armed with documentation and all the logic that they are giving to Speaker right now. They are given to understand that they are presenting their point of view as to why other TMC MPs should not be recognized, and in fact they should be disqualified. The case, has been also put across to Mr. Speaker as we speak. They are also presenting their point of view, but there is something that TMC believes is going to be happening soon after Abhishek Banerjee comes out. One of the senior MPs in the Parliament said that something that has never happened in polity of India will be happening today is what one of the senior TMC MPs has said. And what is surprising is that Mr. Kalyan Banerjee and also Mahua Moitra came together in same car. They are arch rivals, and we had seen how they spoke against each other throughout the session, and now we are seeing this fresh camaraderie. But yes, these TMC MPs have come here to the Speaker to present their point of view and to also demand that they should be other MPs should be disqualified as to why should they not be acknowledged as MPs. But we will wait and see what Abhishek Banerjee has to say after this.
The ball is now in the Speaker's court. Let's see how it pans out. Absolutely, Pragya. And we'll connect with you when we have that reaction. Thank you very much for getting us the details. And with that, it's a wrap on Breaking Ground. That's all we could pack for you in this broadcast. A quick break, lot more lined up on the other side.